Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have some more run glitch deals to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so jumping right in, first up, just in case you missed it, I have already uploaded a ton of other DG videos for you all this week. Dollar General has been absolutely on fire. We have new clearance markdowns, a penny list, we have tons and tons and tons of amazing coupon matchups. We've had $5 off $25 scenarios for the entire week, gain deals that are absolutely amazing, plus this morning I did upload another run glitch deal. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And also, don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the videos all the way through. It helps me, and it helps you, and it helps me help you. So please watch the video all the way through. If you need to speed it up or slow it down, you can click up in the top right hand corner, click on your settings, and then choose playback speed. You can speed it up or slow it down to your liking, but please watch the video all the way through, because if you skip through the videos, you're going to miss some important details. And for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. They're not supposed to happen, so that's why we call them a glitch. So it is very important when you get into the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about the details for this run glitch deal. I showed you all this deal earlier this week. We had this digital coupon for buy one of the Tide laundry detergents priced at $5.50. You could choose from the liquid or the pods, and then you're getting the bounce dryer sheets for free. With that coupon, you're paying $5.50 for two. However, starting today, we also have a sale. Buy one, get one for free. So what you want to do is pick up one of the Tide laundry products priced at $5.50. You can choose from the liquid or the pods, and then pick up the bounce dryer sheets. These are priced at $2. And since we have that coupon plus the sale, it's doing a little glitch in the system, and it is taking off a total of $4. So that is going to make your final price $3.50 for both items. Now, I also showed you all this deal earlier this week. It is pick up one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents priced at $19.95, and then you're going to get either the Gain scent beads or the Downy scent beads for free. With the coupon, you're paying $19.95 for two. However, this one is also doing a little glitch. We have the coupon and the sale going on right now. So what you want to do is pick up one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. This is 154 fluid ounces priced at $19.95. Then you're going to choose between either picking up the Downy scent beads, which are regularly priced at $5 each, or you can pick up the Gain fireworks. These are normally priced at $4.50 each. And again, there are different scents that are working with this deal. So for my transactions, I decided to pick up the Downy scent beads. With the coupon and the sale both applying at the register, that left me paying $9.95 for both items. Now, if you pick up the Gain fireworks with the sale and the coupon, it may take off $4.50 instead of the full $5. So you may be paying $10.95 for both items instead of $9.95 for both items like I did. Now, before you all click off of this video, I do want to touch base with you all on the Spend 40 deal. So we did receive this coupon on our account today. It does expire this Saturday on October the 14th. And this is for spend $40 on select P&G products, and then you're supposed to receive back a $10 coupon on your account. Now, I've already tried out a couple of transactions at an old register store, because I wanted to try to stack the Gain with the Spend 40 and the 5 off 25s. I also did a Tide scenario. So I'm just trying out a few different things to see what's going to work. So far, unfortunately, I have not received back my $10 coupon on my account just yet. I'm hoping that it will show up, but we'll just have to wait and see. Now, the biggest question that I have with this promotion is, will it glitch? Are we going to have to actually spend the $40 out of pocket after coupons have been applied, or is it going to glitch and let us get our subtotal up over $40 or $40 or more, and then let our coupons bring our subtotal down a little bit lower and still receive back the $10 coupon. So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. But again, we're just going to have to wait and see. I'm going to sign out of my accounts, sign back in. But I wanted to go ahead and let you all know about these two run glitch deals. And don't forget to go back and check out the video that I posted this morning with another run glitch deal. And I did go back. I have put some updates about that in the pinned comment underneath that video, as well as on the community tab. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like I said before, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have even more deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.